Welcome to another segment of Maintenance Reminders. My name is TJ Dennis, a service advisor for Star Freightliner. Today, we're going to learn about a very small piece that plays a very big role. Today, we're going to learn about the PNDB, also known as the Power Net Distribution Box. Follow me this way, I'll show you where it's located. The PNDB is most commonly located on the driver's side of the truck, also known as the firewall. Now, what does this do? The PNDB is responsible for powering the SAM's cab, the SAM's chassis, and the truck itself entirely. What happens if this goes out? Well, for one, the truck itself does not start. We have issues all the time with truck drivers who come in and say, my truck won't crank over, but I have power. That's correct. This small device is responsible for distributing the power. So let's think about it like this. It works as a middleman. It gets the power inside, and then it tells the power where to go, almost like a manager. Without it, the truck itself is not going to turn over, and you're losing out on money. So what have we learned? Sometimes even the tiniest of parts can make a world of a difference. Guys, my name is TJ Dennis. This is Maintenance Reminders. And remember, at Star Freightliner, we'll keep you rolling.